Hi friends, I'm Kazel and welcome to the third video of the 2023 Digital Planner Creation Masterclass. I'm so happy that you are here, but before we start creating our digital planner, we should first plan so that the creation process goes smoothly. So to create our plan, I will be asking you questions so that you can create an overview of the design and to have an idea on what the process will look like. So open your note-taking app or take out your pen and pencil and let's begin. The first question is, what digital planner do you want to create? Is it a monthly digital planner or a yearly digital planner? If it is a yearly digital planner, what is the period when the digital planner can be used? Is it for January to December or July to June of the next year? Or is it undated? We have to decide this at the beginning so that we can avoid constantly changing our design because that will make the process take longer than necessary. The second main question you have to ask is, what will be the main template design of your digital planner? Do you want the digital planner to look like an app or do you want it to look like a notebook? Do you prefer the digital planner to be in landscape mode or portrait mode? If you want it to look like a notebook, do you want it to look like an open book with 2 pages or do you want it to only have a page? If it is a 2-page design, do you want it to have a thread-like or a binder-divider design? And since this is a hyperlink digital planner, do you want it to have tabs or do you want the links to be invisible? If you want to use tabs, do you want the tabs to flip or do you want them to be in one area the entire digital planner? These questions lets us plan and decide the base template of the digital planner, and also so that we can have a visual basis on what the digital planner will look like while we are creating it. The third main question is, who will be using the digital planner? Knowing who will use the digital planner lets us customize the digital planner to how it will be used. And once you have identified who will use the digital planner, you can now decide what the subsections the digital planner will have. And after deciding on what the subsections will be, you can now go deeper on the planning and create a rough design on what will be the contents of each of the subsection. So let's get planning. And this is the rough overview of the digital planner that I will be creating for the 2023 Digital Planner Creation Masterclass. I hope you have answered the questions in this video and have created your rough overview. And if you haven't done it yet, make sure to do so because it will make the creation process much easier. I cannot wait to guide you in the creation process. So if you are ready, comment "Planning is the key" in the comment section below and see you in the next video. Bye!